Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Chloe. Today I'm going to be doing my take on a fairy. There are so many different ways to make this your own by changing the colors, by changing the way the makeup looks. If you go online and you look up like a fairy costume, you'll find a ton of different ways that you can do it. I'm not even sure the way exactly I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna kind of start and see what I feel and go from there. The one thing you will need that'll definitely help complete the look is some pointed ears, and you can find these kind of guys at any Halloween shop. So let's just get into it. Today the headband of choice is my Minnie Mouse ears. Starting off with the prosthetic ears, you can kind of see how you put it over your ear here. So that's what I started by doing, is fixating it over my ear, make sure everything fits nicely. And then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal tinted moisturizer foundation thing, and I'm going to put the makeup on the ears first. Once those are matching my skin tone a little bit better, I'm going in with my liquid latex and I'm flipping up the edge of the ear to put the latex underneath of it and get it to stick down nicely. Once it is fairly stuck in place, I'm going to take a layer of latex and go over the edge of the ear onto my skin to create a little bit more of a seamless blend between the two. This step is just a lot of back and forth between sticking the ear down, drying the latex, putting more latex down, holding the ear down, just until you are happy with it. Do be careful around your hairline because getting latex out of your hair is the worst. I don't recommend. Once I am happy with how the ears are stuck down, I'm taking that same L'Oreal foundation and just applying it all over my face. Not sure why I didn't show it, but I'm just going in with my Milani concealer and concealing under my eyes and any imperfections as normal. I'm just going in and doing my brows as normal. I will have all my brow products posted in the description bar below. I'm going in with my Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush in the shade 40 Pink Plum. And I'm really focusing this in the center of my face, and you really want a pretty blushy effect with this, so don't be afraid to lay it down, even more than I did, honestly. I'm taking my favorite Revolution highlighter. I think the shade is called Set the Tone. I've honestly never figured it out, guys, but it's the white one by Revolution. I love this stuff. Next, I'm taking my Revolution Freckle Maker. I don't know what you want to call it, but it makes freckles and it's by the brand Revolution. When I do my fake freckles, I do like to take some in random places so the freckles look a little bit more natural. Next, I'm going in with my Milani eye primer just to prep and prime my eyes. I'm going back in with my Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush, and I'm adding this on the outer corners of my eyes. I just want it to be super blended and pretty pink. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Jeffree Star Palette. I am going to be taking a few shades from this guy. Speaking of Jeffrees though, I was watching Jeffree Dahmer and that shit is sad. I literally had to dry my tears. But from the other Jeffree though, I'm gonna go in with this chunky pink glitter. It's called 2 in his palette, but it's just a chunky pink glitter. For a fairy, the more glitter, the better. So I'm taking this in a few different places, not just in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna follow that up by going in with one of my favorite shades of all time, NYX Lolita. I love this shade so much. It is the most perfect lavender lilac, and I'm kind of just putting it in the center of my eyes, and then I'm taking it on my cheeks as well. And honestly, I wish I put a base down for this. This shade is so hard to see. I wish it was more pigmented. So put a base down if you want more pigment to your colors.
Now it definitely doesn't need a base under it. You can still see it. It gives a very blended, soft effect. But if you want a more over-the-top dramatic look, I would put a base down to things or just build up your color a lot more. Next, from Jeffree's palette, I'm taking this medium pink shade called Back. I'm taking it on my cheeks, so it does kind of end up looking like blush, which is not what I was going for, but it works. Then I'm going in with this shade called Hey Dude. It is just a nice warm brown. I didn't want anything too dark for this small wing I'm creating. I just wanted to add a little wing because I wanted a little bit more of a dramatic look. I'm going in with my NYX white eyeliner pencil, and I am taking this in my waterline to give my eyes a good pop. And then I am giving my lashes a good curl and a good nice layer of mascara to just prep for some lashes. I am going in with these huge Kiss lashes. I believe they are the 03 number. Don't quote me on that, but they're big and huge and perfect for this look. For my lips, I'm going to take my NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner and just line my lips as I usually do. I'm going back in and adding a lot of things. I feel like this look needed more, so I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter palette and mixing these two top shades here. The white one has a really nice purpley blue iridescence that you can kind of see at the end here. Finish off the lips, I'm just taking my Revolution Clear Gloss and giving it a nice thick layer. So I thought this was a look complete. I took my ears off and everything. I thought I was totally done, and then I decided that this look needs more volume for me, so I added a few more things. So I decided on some gems. I'm just sticking down some gems in a few places to give it a little bit more glitter, a little bit more amped up. This is definitely a toned down version of a fairy, so add more pigment, add more colors if you want it to be more.
All right, you guys, this is look complete. I am obviously not wearing the right outfit and I do not have wings. I actually went fairly simple on the makeup. I just wanted everything to be like a nice light pastel color and be pretty blended. I just wanted it to be really sparkly, basically. So when you look at my cheekbones, you can really see that iridescence. That's gonna be all for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already and leave me a like because it really helps me out. I'll see you guys in the next one.